for you. But if you change your water, can you change your life? Michael Johnson is here with waterunites.com about an option that could give you health benefits that go far beyond your ordinary purified water. Good morning, Michael.
Hi, Eileen.
How are you?
Very good, sir.
Okay, so we already know, like I mentioned, water is good for you, but if it's got a little too much of something, it may not be that great for you, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And most people aren't drinking enough water, and we're finding they're not drinking the right type of water. So what we're introducing you to is Kangen Water.
Kangen Water, what is that?
Kangen Water basically is an alkaline, ionized water, and it has three main properties. Okay, first of all, Kangen Water is trademarked, and it's exclusively produced from this machine. You can't buy Kangen Water, and you can't sell Kangen Water, but it's exclusively produced by this machine. This machine is from a company called Enagic.
All right.
And they built these for Japanese hospitals in Japan for several decades before they were released to the public because of their widespread health benefits.
That's where it originated, is that right? Okay, and so you put this underneath your sink? Or?
This hooks right up to your tap, and it literally produces 5 different kinds of water along the pH scale.
All right, and if we can recall, you know, the days of chemistry class, we got to remember that the pH scale, you've got acidic and then alkaline at the very end, right?
We'll cover that, yeah.
Okay, good.
And the best way to tell you about Kangen Water is actually just to show you. Okay, and if we can hone in on these 3 glasses of water in this meter right here, okay, this right here is our San Antonio tap water right here, and it's, as you can see, it's got a positive charge. This is measuring the millivolts, positive or negative in water. Now, this is the Kangen Water, so I ran the tap water through this machine, and I want you to watch the meter. It went from a positive 700, and as you can see, it's dropping quite rapidly, and now we have a negative, what do we see there, over 600.
Oh, wow.
So we just went from a, absolutely, so we went from a positive, which is oxidizing. These nails right here had been sitting in tap water, okay, and then we ran the tap water through the machine right here, and this is the Kangen Water, the drinking water, 9.5, and as you can see, they have not rusted. Okay. In fact, it deoxidizes.
It deoxidizes. Okay.
Now, this is a typical bottled water, purified water, and most people are into like pure. The more pure, the better. Okay. So let's just see here. You can see we're going back to a positive charge, right? We've got a positive charge, but I want you to see when we pour this Kangen water on this, they both look like water, but you're going to watch that go from a positive, oxidizing, to where it would rust the nails, to an antioxidant, and now it's a negative charge. Absolutely. So we just took an oxidizing substance that rusts nails and creates oxidation to an antioxidant. Okay, so that's the first property.
And so what's this right here?
Well, the second property has to do with pH. Okay, now pH is actually very simple. To make it easy, 7 is neutral. Anything below is considered acidic and associated with bad health. Anything above 7 is alkaline and associated with good health. Now, you probably balance the pH in jacuzzis, pools, or fish tanks, right? And if your fish are sick, what's the first thing you want to do?
You want to change it.
You want to change the water. You don't write them, name the ill, create the pill, and then give them a bill, right? No, you just change the water, okay? So what we want to do is show you that these beverages up here, okay, these are 3 bottled waters, and you'll see the more pure we go, the more acidic it becomes. And then these are popular beverages, vitamin water, sports drink, and soda. This is our Kangen Water right here, 9.5 pH. And as you can see here, it's very high alkaline. So what this is going to do is help your body balance its pH. Now watch what happens. When we just went from oxidizing to antioxidant. Now we're going to go from acidic to...
Will it change?
Alkaline.
Oh, wow.
So these are what's called dead waters.
Okay.
They have been removed, not only all their contaminants, but all their good beneficial alkaline minerals. And so now what we've done is we've just took an acidic environment.
It happens in an instant.
Absolutely. Now look at these flavored beverages that the industry is, you know, always just promoting to us.
So why can't it change?
Well, because these are so acidic, the ratio is about 30 to 1. And what that means to your body is your body has to burn alkaline minerals, okay, which is calcium. And that comes from our bone. Now this is vitamin water. Thought that was pretty healthy, right? Well, let's take a look and see what this diluted vitamin water is going to do to this alkaline environment.
Oh, wow, it changes it.
It eats up the minerals. So wherever you have acidity, you have loss of minerals. So when we are, and look at this. So we took those alkaline environments, went to an acidic. And here's the 100% 9.5 with diluted vitamin water. Come on.
Okay, so there's a huge difference there. Now, a lot of people are having questions right now. They want to know how they can get a hold of you.
Absolutely. If you go to waterunites.com, you're going to see everything this machine does and what I'm not showing you. But the rule here, guys, is this. We want to switch from these acidic beverages to water, and then we would go for better water for better health.
Okay, one more thing. one more thing. I want to mention this.
Yes, please.
You've got a special offer for people who don't get a chance.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Whatever we haven't done here, we will either give them a $20 information packet by mail or invite them to a lunch where we're providing the meal at a 5-star dining restaurant who uses our technology in their restaurant.
Excellent. Free lunch, live demo, and a $20 information kit. All you got to do is give them a call at that number. WaterUnites.com is also a good website to get a hold of them. Thank you so much, Michael.
Yes,
that was really, really interesting.
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. All right, well, coming right up, some big news for a San Antonio girl with beauty and brains. Why she's a model citizen. Dish is next.